we will attempt and hope we don't screw up installing a scale sound into this Rapido F59. As you can see here, let me point. Speaker terminals are right here. These two, speaker negative, speaker positive, and they're really tiny and really close. I can't see with my regular eyes, so I have to use these things here. See that? Here we go. Oh boy, looks like I joined them together. Let's clean it up. The solder leaked over to the other terminal. Looks like I got a lot of cleaning up to do because it leaked over to the output of 7. Great. Just great. Let's see, what do we have here? There's hella shit here. If it came down to it, I couldn't just put a different board in there because it's a lot of wiring I don't want to mess with. Okay. Cleaning off the solder, excess solder. See, look. What is this wire going to? Just cleaned up some more. All right, let me get a Kleenex real quick. Okay. Now let's double check and see if everything's cleaned up. Don't want any terminals touching each other, because then the decoder will short out, and there goes another shorted decoder that you got to send back to ESU. Okay, that's clean. All right, now let's go ahead and put the wires back on. Let's do the positive first, because so you get the extra solder off. It keeps spilling to the other side. Damn it. The other wire came off. Okay, it's all right. I know where it came from. Let's get this extra solder out the way. Now we got 3 wires to put back. All right. Let's turn it around this way. Will that work? Okay. That looks like it's in there good. Shit, we're in here 10 minutes almost. Just want to make sure that that's all right. I need a finer tip. Yeah. Need a finer tip. Or just let me clean off this. Clean it off. See if that's good enough. This almost became a repair instead of an install. So I'm gonna repair these wires that jumped off the terminal. Next time, I'll leave the factory wires on there and then just solder them to the speaker itself. That's what I should have did. It's causing me problems. Yep. Well, this video is 11 minutes. I'm gonna come back.